Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Chamberlain garage door belt on the market, the 41A35891 Garage Door Opener Belt. If you're dealing with a noisy, worn-out garage door belt or just want to upgrade your opener system for smoother, quieter operation, this product could be the solution you've been searching for. The 41A35891 belt is specifically designed for garage doors that are 8 feet in height, with a total length of 255 inches, ensuring a precise fit for your Chamberlain or LiftMaster garage door opener. It's engineered to offer a reliable and durable performance while maintaining quiet operation, which is a major upgrade over traditional chain-driven systems. What sets this belt apart is the upgraded material used in its construction. Made from new structural steel combined with a high-quality belt composition, it is built to resist warping and stretching, common issues that affect older belts. This means you get a longer service life and a consistent performance that keeps your garage door functioning smoothly day in and day out. The quietness factor is especially important if your garage is attached to your home or near your neighbors. This belt minimizes noise so everyone can enjoy a more comfortable environment. Installing this belt is straightforward for anyone familiar with garage door openers. It fits perfectly into the existing system without requiring major adjustments or modifications. Plus, each belt undergoes a 100% quality test before leaving the factory, ensuring that what you receive is durable and safe. Safety is always a priority with garage door components, and this belt is designed to provide the best protection for your family and your home. Beyond compatibility and durability, the 41A35891 belt's whisper drive technology gives it an edge by delivering smooth starts and stops for your garage door. This reduces wear and tear on other parts of your opener system, potentially saving you money on repairs and replacements down the line. The belt's design is meant to improve the overall operation of your garage door by providing better traction and reducing slippage, which can happen with cheaper or worn belts. If you're upgrading or replacing your garage door opener belt, choosing the right product is crucial for longevity and performance. The 41A35891 offers a trusted fit for many popular Chamberlain and LiftMaster models and comes with the peace of mind of high-quality manufacturing standards. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional technician, this belt makes a dependable choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. See you next time.